So yes guys, welcome back to me YouTube channel, yeah? And I'm gonna do that, I do a voiceover in a patois. Alright. So right here so now a egg in my hand, you see it, and I'm gonna mash them. And you can see say right now me a aim for Chalaza, yeah man, the egg eye. So me gonna take out the egg eye out of it, you see it, cause it's gonna make the egg raw and you don't want that to happen. So right here so again you see it. One more egg this me just mash in a bowl. Yeah man, see it there. Egg eye. I take it out, you see me? Alright. Watch how me go pour it up right now. Yeah man. Yeah, pour it up. Yes. Go and pour it up. Go and pour it up. Go and pour it up. Yeah man, you want it to be nice and fluffy. Yeah man. Right now this look enough. Alright. Right there's some top. You see me? Yeah man. So I put on my frying pan right just so now. You see it? And pour some oil on it. And I go allow it to get hot. And right from there so, you know I go down from there so don't. Just allow it to get hot before me pour my vegetable them in it. Yeah man. Want my vegetable them to be nicely sauteed. Yeah man, want them cook properly man. See it there now. This me I talk about people. See it there. A vegetable in a pot you know man. Go and saute down. Go and use a spatula and stir it round. Alright. Somewhat I don't like when my vegetables are too translucent, yeah? I want it to be a little bit crunchy. You know, yard man thing, is it? Yeah man. And I know long cooking right now. I said fast with the pan. So me not go wait no longer, you know. Me just pouring my egg in this right now. Yeah man. Yeah, the two egg them when you see me beat up earlier. And then me just dash in my pot. Yeah man. See it then. See how my egg omelette are forward properly. Yeah man. And I scrape down inside. Yeah man. I dig down inside that egg, you know. When I want top this off the burn. I dig it from the side of the pan. And right after you see me I try kinda rake it up. Cause I don't want it to stick on my pan bottom. Even though I have oil in my pot and it's a non-stick pot. Yeah man, just want the thing deal properly. And you can see some black snap drop in the pot down. Yeah man, I'm a black pepper man. And the pan there so I had some salt, see how way. So I still try to rake up the egg. I don't want it to burn, you know. God no, cause I just 2 egg me have left. Boy, see there, me flip the egg, you know. I flip the egg. And see it? Look on the color. Yeah man. Well done man, well done. So I just go allow the next side to get a little bit of color, you see it? Yeah man. And then I go add some cheese. But my cheese mix, you know. Me have mozzarella and cheddar cheese mixed together. So I just go dash it right in the middle right there, so you see it? Yeah man. More cheese. Nice. So me just allow the next side to cook properly, you know. Then I go flip it. Ooh la la. Look there. I flip the egg, you know. Me just flip the egg. Yeah man. A Chef Andre Davy man. Yeah, I do the voiceover in a straight yard man style. Alright. Look like the egg ready here, so you know. Take it off now, Dan. Take it off, you know. Yeah, man. See it there. Oi. What's that? Egg showing up on right there, so. Can't wait. I cut it for taste, you know. But wait. I show you how it look actually. You see me? It's nice, man. It's nice. You know if you try it on the yard. You know have egg on the yard. You know if you try it, man. Look there. Oh la la. This is beautiful, don't?